Qaf, and Qaf is always read in Arabic with a thick voice. It means full mouth. This is Zabar on Qaf, and you read Zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice. Qaf, Zabar Qa, Qaf. At the end of Qaf, Fa sound come. Qaf, Qaf, Zabar Qa. Don't stretch it. Qaf, Zair Qi. We read Zair by dropping our voice, but we not stretch. Qaf, Zair Qi. Then this is Pesh, and we read Pesh by rounding off our both lips. Qaf, Pesh Qu. Qa, Qi, Qu. Again, Qaf, Zabar Qa. We not read Zabar Zair Pesh by stretching. For example, Qaf, Zabar Qa, Qaf, Zair Qi. No, don't stretch. And don't sudden pause. For example, Qaf, Zabar Qa. No, don't sudden pause. Qaf, Zabar Qa, Qaf, Zair Qi, Qaf, Pesh Qu, Qa, Qi, Qu. This is Kaf, and we read Kaf normally. Kaf, Zabar Ka, Kaf, Zair Ki, Kaf, Pesh Ku, Ka, Ki, Ku. Again, this is Jeem, and Jeem is pronounced from the middle of our tongue and middle of our palate. It means middle of your tongue, you have to touch your middle side, upper side, middle of palate. Jeem, Zabarja, Jeem, Zair Ji. Drop your voice. Jeem, Zair Ji, Jeem, Pesh Ju, Ja, Ji, Ju. This is Sheen. Sheen and Jeem are pronounced from the same place. Middle of the tongue, middle of the palate. Sheen, Zabar Sha, Sheen, Zair Shi, Sheen, Peshu, Sha, Shi, Shu. This is Ya, and Ya is also pronounced from where we read Jeem and Sheen. Ya, Zabariya, Ya, Zeri, Ya, Pesh You, Ya, Yi, You. It's a Dad with a thick voice. Dad, Zabar Da, Dad, Zer Dwi, Dad, Pesh Du, Da, Dwi, Du.